Next task. This kind tricky one. So remove bad data. Okay, bad data. I would specify that the data that has temperature more than 1000. So any temperature more than 1000 is gonna be bad data. By using find function and replace it with NaN. NaN is just abbreviation for non-applicable. Okay, so again, so I want to remove all the bad data. What's the bad data? Bad data is any temperature data that is more than 1000. How I can do this? By find function, and I'm going to replace it with NaN, which is non-applicable. Okay, so please, like as I said before, this episode is kind of practice, so feel free to pause and try it by yourself. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so bad temperature. So first things first, I have to do variable called maybe like bad temp equal. Then I will start with find function. Find, so I use find function, right? Then MATLAB expect me to find the source that I'm gonna use find function in. So find and then this source, which is temperature that I did extract in the previous step. Okay, and then all the bad data is the data that is more than 1000. I will make more than and then 1000 semicolon. Okay, now I do have the bad data, which is everything will be here over 1000. Okay, or bad temperature. So then I want to make the good temperature to be all my temperature. Then semicolon. So right now I just did nothing except that good temperature. Now it's the same as my temperature. I did this to now I'm gonna use subset. So subset means like I'm gonna make like good temperature. Okay, I will open brackets, I will put bad temperature, then this will be equal NaN. Okay, so what's now happening? What did I do? So now in the beginning I did a variable and I specify all my bad temperature with find function that I did specify all the bad temperature will be any temperature more than 1000. This is the first step. Second step, I just create a variable that equal to temperature and then the subsetting. I make good temperature, this is a bigger umbrella, okay, then a smaller scope, all the bad temperature. What is the bad temperature? Bad temperature is any temperature more than 1000 will be equal NaN. So I told MATLAB in this good temperature I wanna any temperature that is more than 1000 to be equal NaN, which is non-applicable. So this, if you wanna exclude any specific data in your own big data, you can always do this by subsetting. It's very powerful tool to use. So good temperature, bad temperature equal NaN. So if I run right now, there's no errors. Good temperature, bad temperature, NaN. So right now, my good temperature has NaN of anything more than 1000. Like everything here will be within like less than 1000 because I exclude the bad temperature, and any bad temperature will be equal to NaN, which is abbreviation for non-applicable.